So I want to find duplicates in another column, meaning I have two tables of people's names. I have those who registered for an event, and I have those who attended an event, and I want to make sure those who registered actually attended, or I want to see those who attended actually registered, vice versa. We're going to look for duplicates. Basically, we want to say, hey, does this Marcia Garcia, does she show up in this attended? Does Robert Johnson show up? And I don't want to have to do Command C, Command F. Okay, Robert Johnson was there. Okay, Michael Williams was not there. Each one, I don't want to do that. Each one by one. I want to do this very simply with some conditional formatting. We're going to get there. I'm going to highlight the B column because I'm looking for each of these names in the D column, for example. I'm going to go up to Format, Conditional Formatting. Over here on the right, I have the range B1 to B9995. I can change this to B:B if I want, optional. And I'm going to format rules, go to custom formula is. We're only going to do equals match. And we want to do B1 because we're starting in B1. Even though there's no name there, we want to start there because the range starts there. We're going to do comma and then D:D. Now this is the column where you're looking for the match. Okay, we have the match in the B column, but we're going to look for the match in the D column. And then what I like to do is comma 0. This in the match formula just says exact match. If you're looking for fuzzy matches, there's other options like 1 or 2 here. But for my case, I want an exact match. I'm going to do end parentheses. And right away, I see that something is highlighted. I'm going to change this to a very garish purple so I can see exactly, really quickly, oh, all of these people actually did register and attend. Great. And I can see who didn't attend. Fantastic. There you go. Equals match B1 to D:D, and then use an exact match and end parentheses, click done, and we are on the way. Anyone who ends up actually being added to the list, this will be updated automatically. Let's go to the bottom, add Michael Williams, and there. Michael Williams already is highlighted. Fantastic, right? You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.